In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot dashboard. And once you're in there, proceed to click on Contacts. You can find it by going to the CRM and then going to the Contacts right there. Once you're in the contact, you can locate the option for actions. So you can find actions right here, or you can already find the export option available. So click on this export, and you can see the export view. Just choose the export name, the file format, as well as the language for the column headers. So we have in here some options to choose from. Once you're done, you can head over and also customize it according to your liking, like including all email addresses, associated record name, and the likes. Once you're done, proceed to click on export, and then it will download the file from this. And for that, you can actually get this ready. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.